Hey there, Heather here, one of the client concierges at Executive Maids. Wondering if we offer extra cleaning services? We sure do. Let's dive into the add-ons that'll take your home to the next level. First, our bed making service. Imagine walking into a bedroom with a perfectly made bed and fresh sheets. Ultimate comfort. Next, we have oven and refrigerator cleaning options. Cleaning inside all of your cabinets, closets, and drawers is perfect for move-in and move-out cleanings. Oh, and we can clean the inside of your windows too. Outside if they tilt in. Slider doors? No problem. Enjoy crystal clear views and brighter days. And if you need basic organizing, we've got you covered. These fabulous add-ons will make your home shine. Give us a call to discuss your home and your cleaning needs and any questions or concerns you may have about hiring a professional cleaning service, because we are here for you.